For the Patra family, life has not been the same since September 2019 when the Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank collapsed. The retired couple had been living off their savings and caring for their 25-year-old daughter, a cancer survivor who has lost her eyesight. Now, with their deposits in PMC Bank frozen, making ends meet has become difficult.
What wrong have we done? We have our money. Where is our fault? Where is our fault? My husband, he retired his entire life saving, which we had worked hard with an honest taxpayers, and we had, saved everything for our child. She is a cancer survivor, and now she's visually challenged. Plus, due to that, she has lot of side effects. Whatever medical examinations and everything we have, like now we are not able to give her that. That's my mother. She's in Calcutta now. Recently, 1 month back, she was very serious. We cannot take her to the hospital. Today I don't have money to go and see my mother, ailing mother. How much can we borrow? How much can our friends help us?
Neela Patra is just one among 9 lakh depositors whose lives were turned upside down when PMC Bank was placed under restriction. RBI claims that with the withdrawal limit being hiked to 1 lakh rupees effective June, almost 84% of the account holders will be able to fully withdraw their money. But for the remaining 1.5 lakh plus depositors, it is an agonizing fight. We spoke to some of these account holders at a recent protest rally held at RBI's offices in Mumbai.
के पीछे बैंक बंद है, हमारा जो अर्निंग है, हमारी एफडी है, हमारा शेयर है, वहाँ पे उसके पैसे, हम सीनियर सिटीजन हो, उसके पैसे हमारे को ब्याज के आते थे, हमारा घर चलता था, मगर वो पैसे तो अभी 1 साल से आ नहीं रहे, तो कहाँ से घर चलेगा? ऊपर से ये कोरोना की महामारी आ गई।
जो पैसा हमारा बैंक में है उस पे एफडी पे जो इंटरेस्ट दिया जा रहा है उस पे हमको टैक्स भरने को आएगा। मतलब हमारे पास पैसा नहीं आया हमारे हाथ में और हमको उसके ऊपर टैक्स भरना है।
My father died because of the delay in treatment because we didn't have money. Even when he died, his body was cremated after 1 day because we couldn't pay the hospital final bill.
जिस वक्त बैंक बंद हुआ, मैं हॉस्पिटल में था। जब बैंक बंद हुआ तो मुझे अस्पताल से छुट्टी लेनी पड़ी, मेरा पूरा ट्रीटमेंट नहीं हुआ। 3 महीने तक गुरुद्वारे से हम लोग खाते रहे पेंडेमिक के टाइम पे। मेरी कोई इनकम नहीं है, मेरा कोई जॉब नहीं है, सारा पैसा मेरा पीएमसी बैंक में फंसा हुआ है।
मैं 79 ईयर ओल्ड हूँ और मेरे को और कोई कमाई नहीं है, खाली डिपॉजिट के ऊपर ही जो इंटरेस्ट मिलता है उसी के ऊपर हमारा गुजारा चलता है। अभी 9 महीने से ना कोई इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है।
आज मेरा इंटरेस्ट आना बंद हो गया है तो मेरे को घर संभालना भारी पड़ गया है। मैं एक बच्चा मेरा बाहर पढ़ता है जिसको वापस मुझे बुलाना पड़ा उसको स्टडी ब्रेक करा के। एक लड़की मेरी पूना पढ़ती थी उसको भी मुझे वापस बुलाना पड़ा क्योंकि मैं फीस नहीं दे सकता।
Almost a year has passed since the PMC Bank crisis first came to light, and yet there is no clear solution in the offing. While the RBI says it is working with stakeholders to find a resolution, the process has been delayed because of the spread of the coronavirus pandemic. What this crisis has brought to the fore is the larger issue of the ailing health of the 1900 plus cooperative banks in the country. In 2020 alone, RBI has placed 44 such banks under similar restrictions. Now, dual regulation, financial mismanagement and less stringent oversight have been blamed as the reasons for the current mess, leaving multitudes of unsuspecting depositors vulnerable. With camera person Milind Bagmare, this is Ritu Singh.